To understand the end stage, you might want to start studying the early embryonic development. Can we leverage the knowledge we learn from stem cells to extend the lifespan for human beings? The vision is to bring internationally renowned scientists to build a community with very similar interests.
We have a few talks about how the body is set up during development, and then you talk about how it goes into dysfunction. It seems sensible to talk about solutions that we're working on for correcting wrongs that happen during aging. We have some people working on stem cell therapies, so targeting cells and destroying dysfunctional cells within the body and also replacing cells.
At these very early stages, there are only a few cells. Each of those cells, particularly the one set aside to form the body, will later give rise to thousands of cells, so they have to be protected. Pregnancies fail, and we still don't fully understand why. If we can uncover what goes wrong in these earliest embryonic cells, we may be able to preventing unnecessary death.
Some patients show intestinal failure. Those patients typically treated by the intestinal transplantation. However, because of the donor shortage or rejection by the immune system, we are really interested in the regenerative medicine approach using intestinal organoids. By just replace intestinal epithelium, we don't have to generate the entire organ.
Human life expectancy has been going up for a very long time. What we would like to do is to squash that unhealthy period at the end of life before people die. So we're interested in environmental interventions, diet, but also the molecular mechanisms that respond to those interventions. So maybe if we could target these underlying mechanisms, we could delay or even prevent groups of diseases simultaneously.